The Giving Tree, a short moral story. Once, in a peaceful forest, stood a loving apple tree. A little boy came to play beneath her branches every day. He climbed her trunk, swung from her branches, and ate her sweet apples. The tree loved the boy dearly. As the boy grew older, he visited less. One day, he came to the tree, sad. "I need money," he said. "Take my apples and sell them," the tree offered happily. The boy did and left. Years later, he returned. "I need a house," he said. "Cut my branches and build your home," the tree replied. He did. More years passed. "I need a boat to sail far away," the boy, now a man, said. "Cut my trunk and build one," the tree whispered. And he did. The tree was now a stump. Many years later, the boy, now old and tired, returned. "I have nothing left to give," said the tree. "I just need a place to rest," said the man. "Come, sit on my stump," she smiled. And the tree was happy. Moral: true love is selfless. Giving brings joy, even when there's nothing left to give. Thank you for watching.